Okay, so we have another item that is selling on February the 9th, 2022 on our website bcsurplus.com. Again, government surplus. This is I think it's a 2005, manufactured 10 of 04. It is a International 9400i tandem axle tractor. This one's got a wet kit in it, so perfect for your end dumps, your walk-in floors, basically, low beds or whatever, walking trailers. I don't know. It's got a wet kit in it. I'll just do a nice slow walk around, and then I'll climb inside, fire it up, and then show you what powers under the hood. Might be a little bit of a surprise, maybe to you. Well, at least it was to me. So this one's located in Langley, just like all the other items in that auction February 9th. You can see the condition, tires. All air ride. Tires are in decent condition here again. The hydraulic tank here looks like she's got a little bit of a leak from the gauge, so the occasional drip there. Glad hands, all your connectors there. You can see a little bit of the issues here coming up. Looks like it's an aluminum body, maybe galvanized, not sure, but there's definitely some issues there need to be dealt with. Maybe aluminum front bumper. This isn't a cold start. I have had this running. We did drive it out here. I just finished imaging it for the auction. Air ride both sides. It's got a 15-speed transmission, Eaton Fuller. There you go. I'll just give you a little bit of a heads up there. Oh, I'll just reach over here with my other hand instead of the one. Power windows. Odometer says 574,690 kilometers. I took a picture of the hour meter. What do we got? Engine hours, it says 21,246 engine hours. .475 horsepower, 6-cylinder Caterpillar engine. .189-inch wheelbase. It's a 9400i 6x4 is what the model is listed. Selling, of course, on February the 9th, 2022 on bcsurplus.com. This is All City Auctioneers from our Langley location. Just one of many items in this auction sale. Check it out. Highest bid wins. Get another buy by auction.